Fuck boy. Yo guys, review muna tayo, man. I'm reviewing right now. Kasi bukas ay midterms na namin. Narinig niyo ba yung laptop ko? If narinig yung ama mo, nagbalaglag yung phone ko. Anyway, so while we are filming is mag-review tayo. So, base nga sa ni-review ko, quantitative research design, nagpo-focus siya sa numerical data, sa statistical analysis, at yung maging objective measurements niya. Okay, so bale, he's not like the qualitative data na nakakategorize, but rather it's a numerical data where you can measure it. You can simplify measure it like age, yung height mo, something like that. And sa pag-descriptive research data naman is it aims to describe characteristics. Basta yung ilong ko, fuck me. Characteristics, trends, and patterns of a population or phenomenon. Surveys. Observational studies, case studies, common methods, questionnaires, and structured observations. So let's dive na tayo sa next. So meron kasi dalawa. There's descriptive research design and correlation research design. So pag sa correlation research design, it examines the relationship between two or more variables without manipulating them. So you can observe, or you can look at the relationship between two or more variables without controlling it. Like it's fine kahit hindi mo sila i-manipulate. For example, that would be the relationship between study hours and exam scores. And common methods will be surveys, and secondary data analysis, bro.